Trying to get them to crow. I got these Red Rangers out here. They're about a week away from processing, getting big. Honestly, I'd rather process them this week, but scheduled for next week. There it is. They are big enough, and they've got enough gumption where they got these weird crows. Now I'm talking, nobody's gonna squawk, but I came out in the morning, they're all hooting and hollering. Oh, chickens. Oh, chickens. Enjoy your day. See you soon. This morning, it's foggy with a chance of beautiful. Oh, the sun's coming out. It's a lovely day. I'm here with the chickens, collecting some eggs. Kabam! Eggs! Chickens, eggs, chickens, sunshine, grass, eggs, chickens. Outside, having a good time because I work in the great outdoors. And I don't smell chicken poop. I'm not in a barn. Beautiful weather today, great sunrise. I mean, if this doesn't put you in a good mood, waking up, I just don't know what will. Hope you guys have an awesome day. That's it. See you soon. It is last feed day for these broiler chickens. That's right, last feed day. Look at the shirt. Baby chicks, they've all grown, and it's time for that, plus a little nipple. So these birds, as I'm getting into processing, they're gonna be processed on Monday morning early. So today, I'm gonna feed them and move them, and tomorrow I'll move them, but I won't feed them. So they'll have the fresh grass, fresh bugs tomorrow, but they won't have any feed in their stomach when they go to processing. That makes processing more sanitary. There's less likelihood for contamination because their gut is not so full. So big day today. Last time I had to feed out these birds. Second to last time I gotta move them, and then we have fresh chicken next week, which is pretty great. Pretty great. Now, standing here in front of my live birds, talking about them being dead birds, does it bother me? No, because I work really hard and I want the most delicious, healthy product for my customers, and quite frankly, what I do is good. There it is. There it is. There it is.